stop, but we gotta try it. 7 David 7 Mary 3. Request assistance on runaway truck. Negative. I want your brakes. How are they?
Your linings last week. What are you getting at?
Okay, we're gonna use you to stop the runaway. Get in front of him, kiss bumpers, and slow him to a stop.
You can't mean that.
Can you come up with a better idea? You got 2 seconds.
I'll need eyes in the back of my head, John.
I'll be your eyes. Okay, you got 10 feet. Closing. 10 feet, easy. Okay, hold it straight and get against the line. Okay, 2 feet, easy. You're almost there. Are you okay? Fantastic. Come on, hey.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. But if I'd had 3 seconds to make up my mind, I never would have done it.